Looking to boost your productivity and improve the precision of your projects? With this 90-degree right angle clamp, every detail will be flawless. Yes, with this practical tool, you'll revolutionize the way you work with wood, glass, or metal. A fast and effective solution for carpenters and demanding professionals alike, this right angle clamp is all you need for precise and speedy projects. It ensures perfect 90-degree alignment, ideal for woodworking, carpentry, and welding. Imagine assembling structures effortlessly, with perfect alignment and a secure hold. Versatile enough to work with different materials, this clamp speeds up the assembly process. Plus, it's lightweight, made from durable steel, and perfect for everyday use, whether you're working on small DIY projects or more complex constructions. No wonder this tool has an impressive 4.9 star rating. Customers rave about how easy it is to use and how it truly delivers on its promises. Recent reviews highlight satisfaction, perfect and easy to use, and exactly as described. And there's more. You can purchase with total confidence. QDS Tools, the trusted supplier, has sold over 64,000 units and offers free international shipping. Plus, if you're not completely satisfied, enjoy free returns for up to 90 days and a fair price guarantee for up to 30 days after your purchase. With this tool, your work will be precise, efficient, and error-free. Whether for professional projects or home use, the right angle clamp is the perfect choice. There's no reason to wait. I only showcase products that truly make a difference, and this clamp is one of them. Click the link in the description and grab yours with an exclusive discount. Stock is limited, and delivery is fast. Don't miss this opportunity. Start your projects today with the best equipment available.